What's up, 360 North fans? Unboxing, new kit day. So, new packages in from Peakboys, wrapped impeccably as always to protect its shiny new content. You guys asked on YouTube, on our social media, and we've answered. We got a female rider. Ashley's going to be riding on the Polaris this year. She was riding the old Monosuit last year, and she stepped it up a notch. So let's open this thing. Let's see what we got inside. And what we have here, kind of all bundled up, but yeah, this is, I'm gonna drop it in the muck. There we go. That is an FXR CX Women's Monosuit. So this is the Women's CX suit. This is a 2019 color, so this is the latest and the greatest. This is the CX version that is insulated, and if you want to see this thing in action, you have to stay tuned to our future content. Once again, we'd like to thank Peakboys. They've been working with us for a while now, and you know, they carry all the latest and greatest kit. So if you're looking for FXR, or you're looking for a new CKX helmet or anything else, definitely check out peakboys.ca. If you want to grab your own FXR gear, or really anything else that Peakboys sells, head on over to peakboys.ca. If you enter the promo code 360North, all one word, spell it out, 3SIXT, you get it. Spell it all out, you'll save 5% on your order. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.